When demanding industries need reliable isolation and bidirectional shutoff, they turn to DeZURIK. The KGC-BD Bi-Directional cast stainless steel knife gate valve is engineered for exceptional sealing performance in pulp and paper mills, paper stock, corrosive chemical streams, wet gas scrubbers, polymer handling, and challenging wastewater environments. The valve is pressure rated to 150 psi cold working pressure in sizes 2 through 24 inches, while sizes 30 and 36 inches are rated to 100 psi CWP. The KGC-BD delivers dependable drip-tight shutoff in either flow direction through its advanced one-piece perimeter seat. This molded seat features a fully encapsulated 3/16 stainless steel reinforcement insert, a secure back spline, and seat pucks that lock it firmly in place. The seat is locked into the body groove, preventing pull-out or buckling during operation. Designed for versatility, the valve also performs reliably in dead-end service at its full pressure rating. DeZURIK's premium packing system further enhances performance with a machined packing chamber, rounded gate edges, and anti-extrusion guides supported by multiple packing material options, including live-loaded packing with engineered resilient cord to maximize sealing. This combination reduces leakage, minimizes maintenance, and maintains proper gate alignment for extended service life. With full port flow capacity matching ASME B36.10 pipe dimensions, the KGC-BD achieves high CV values and low pressure loss, ensuring efficient system performance. Multiple international flange drilling options further enhance installation flexibility, allowing the valve to integrate seamlessly into a wide range of global piping standards. Building on this versatility, the actuator superstructure is manufactured from heavy-duty cast carbon steel or optional stainless steel for maximum corrosion resistance. A wide selection of actuators are available, including hand wheels, chain wheels, bevel gears, levers, pneumatic cylinders, hydraulic cylinders, and electric motors. The KGC-BD performs well anywhere reliable isolation is essential. Designed to handle clean, dirty, viscous, and corrosive liquids, as well as sludge, fibrous slurries, and both clean and corrosive gases, they deliver consistent, repeatable performance that reduces downtime and improves overall system operation. To learn more about KGC-BD bidirectional knife gate valves or any other DeZURIK products, contact your local sales representative or visit us online at DeZURIK.com.